Hi friends, and welcome to another video about the Hover Air X1. In this video I want to talk to you about a new gesture that's available as part of a firmware update, which is the emergency stop. Now previously of course we had no way of actually stopping the Hover Air X1 until it actually finished its move and it came down to just in front of us. We put our hand out and it of course lands. But let's say, for example, you're in a situation and you're out and about, you suddenly see some obstructions that the Hover Air could actually hit, or maybe there's some people about, or any reason why you want to stop the Hover Air prematurely. You can now do the emergency stop gesture, which apparently, if I just put the hover down for a second, is where we raise our hands above the head like this, and the Hover Air is going to stop and come immediately down. So I'm going to get that firmware installed, I'm going to get the hover up in the air, and we're going to give it a test and see how we get on. Okay, so I've done some experimentation and the emergency tracking gesture is only available on certain modes, and that's the ones that are available as part of the custom mode on the sort of the far right, I guess, on the Hover Air X1. And that is the follow mode, the dolly tracking mode, and also the new side tracking mode. And they're because those modes actually have a parameter where you can set the duration to continue, and that's where it kind of needs a way of stopping, and that's where we can use the emergency gesture. So it's not available on things like the orbit or the pullback or anything like that, which is just a little bit of a shame, but maybe it doesn't really make sense because you can set it to a certain duration. But I've done a bit of experimentation and I found out it is not actually available on like the orbit, which is may kind of make some sense because the camera doesn't actually see you, so you can't really see the gesture. But on the other hand, maybe if it's going for like a minute or two, it'd be quite nice to be able to interrupt it just before it actually does the maneuver. So maybe that might be available in a future firmware update. I just wanted to make sure that you are aware of that. Of course friends, if you find this video useful and you want to find out more about the Hover Air X1 or any other sort of gadgets like this, then of course don't forget to give the video a good thumbs up, and of course subscribe to the channel to support the channel going forward. Alright, take care and I shall see you soon.